Hello there. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your own tripod. So I'm going to be using wood, metal, and nails. I'm going to show you how to acquire all of that for free. So that's using natural resources. So the main structure of the tripod will be made out of wood, and it's going to be supported by nails and hinges. Now if you don't have any wooden planks lying around, you can use sticks, but no, they're not always the best. So that's why I suggest going into your local forest and looking for construction sticks. This is sticks marked for construction. So if you have any areas where they're building something or they're gonna build something, you'll probably have these sticks. So what you do is you pretty much find one and just take it out. Just go ahead and just take it out. There you go. So these can be used as a tripod for your tripod. So I suggest collecting 4 if you want to make a medium-sized tripod. So if you have an artificial forest nearby, which is pretty much a forest with man-planted trees in rows like such, they're going to have these kind of metal tags. They serve amazingly well as hinges. They bend under your own hands, but if you put multiple of them together, they're really good. So usually this will indicate when they want to cut down a tree, so you can just take a few of them like so. I suggest collecting a lot, a minimum of 10 at least, and because they will break and you will have to replenish them, I suggest putting around 3 of them together to form one hinge. It's the most effective way to take it off with the pliers. Just grab it at the very top. Give it a nice pull. There you go, comes straight off. It doesn't come off, then just twist it around until it comes off. So hello there. Now I'm at my setup, which is in my backyard. I'm going to start building the tripod. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect them with hinges. So they're going to form a tripod like this. The drill, I'm going to drill through another hole. Here we have one hole. I'm going to drill another hole, probably somewhere around here. So now you're going to need 3 small screws. So we're going to put the hinges on top of the wood and put the screw right in like so. That's going to hold it together. So now that I've put the screw inside the hole, make sure that you find a screwdriver that fits, and you will be able to twist the screw comfortably inside. Just grab the top, and putting it in the very top like so, and just start screwing it in. Now if the wood is very hard, you could drill a hole through. If the wood is soft like this is, then you could just manually put it in. So I'm here just adding in the 3rd screw. So. And we're going to put it right into the middle, like so. So, time for the last one. What we're going to do is drill a hole through there. And get the last one going through here. So now we're going to make the tripod top. So this is where your phone is going to be held. So we have the base of the tripod, and then we're going to have top section to hold your phone. So we're going to need several pieces. So first we're going to have a horizontal piece. This is where we're going to put our phone like this. Then we're going to put another piece, another wood block, holding the phone upwards like this, and another wood block holding the phone up like here. So that's going to be done so the horizontal block is going to be around 4 inches. Just going to mark that. And the 2 pieces holding the phone up are going to be around 3 inches. So just cut them out. So here we have our three pieces. We have the horizontal part, we have the first base where the wood is going to be held like so, and we have the top part that's going to hold the phone kind of like this, and then the phone is going to go pretty much right into the middle like this. The phone is going to be held like this. This is pretty much how the design is going to work. And we've got the wooden blocks. We're first going to start by taking our horizontal wooden block like so, putting it like so. Now we're going to put our one on top. What we're going to do is we're just going to grab the nail. From this one we're actually going to require, oh, this is good, we're just going to grab our nail from underneath and just start putting it into it like so. Here we have the top part, and here what we do is we pretty much just insert our phone inside. Now we just clip it in, and then there it is. Our phone is pretty tightly held on, and now we can turn it if we want, like so. So here I've got my drill. Now I'm gonna drill in the holes before putting in the nails to prevent it from cracking like this. So I'm just gonna drill in the hole and then put in the nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just drill in a nice little hole here. And then I'll just drill a hole through. And when I don't need it, I pretty much just take out the camera, I take out the tripod top, like so, camera in my pocket, and I can just fold these like so, and I can just put a rubber band on them, and there we go, put it under my shoulder, and it's good to go, really easy to travel on it. So it's really easy to bring anywhere, it's very compact, and then as always, I can always disassemble it and assemble it later if I'm really trying to make the best out of my space. But if you guys have any questions on this technique, or any way that you might have done it, please let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.